Welcome! Today, we're diving into the world of maintenance logs. Whether you're managing equipment in a factory, overseeing a fleet of vehicles, or simply keeping track of home appliances, a maintenance log is an essential tool. It helps you record, monitor, and analyze the upkeep of your assets. In this video, we'll explore what a maintenance log is, why it matters, and how you can use one to streamline your maintenance processes. Let's start by understanding the basics and setting the stage for effective record keeping. A maintenance log is a systematic record that documents all maintenance activities performed on equipment, machinery, vehicles, or facilities. It typically includes details such as the date of service, the type of maintenance performed, the person responsible, and any observations or issues noted. This log can be kept in a physical notebook, a spreadsheet, or specialized software, depending on the complexity of your needs. The primary goal is to ensure that all maintenance actions are tracked, making it easier to schedule future tasks and identify recurring problems. Keeping a maintenance log offers numerous benefits. First, it provides a clear history of all maintenance activities, which is crucial for troubleshooting and warranty claims. Second, it helps ensure that regular maintenance is performed on time, reducing the risk of unexpected breakdown. Third, it supports compliance with safety and regulatory standards, especially in industries where documentation is required. Finally, a well-maintained log can increase the lifespan of your assets and save money by preventing costly repairs. A comprehensive maintenance log should include several key components. These typically are the date and time of maintenance, a description of the work performed, the name of the technician or responsible person, any parts or materials used, and notes on the condition of the equipment. Some logs also include fields for follow-up actions or next scheduled maintenance. By standardizing these elements, you ensure consistency and make it easier to review past maintenance activities. There are several types of maintenance logs, each suited to different needs. For example, equipment maintenance logs focus on individual machines, while facility maintenance logs track building upkeep. Vehicle maintenance logs are common in transportation, and digital logs are increasingly popular for their ease of access and automation features. Choosing the right type depends on your assets and the level of detail required for your operations. Traditionally, maintenance logs were kept on paper, often in binders or notebooks. While this method is simple and accessible, it can be prone to loss, damage, or illegibility. Digital logs, on the other hand, offer advantages like easy searching, backup, and integration with other systems. Many organizations are now transitioning to digital solutions for improved efficiency and reliability. Consider your team's needs and resources when choosing between paper and digital logs. Maintenance logs are used by a wide range of professionals. Facility managers, mechanics, engineers, and even homeowners rely on these records to keep track of maintenance tasks. In larger organizations, dedicated maintenance teams may use logs to coordinate work and ensure nothing is overlooked. No matter the scale, maintenance logs help everyone stay organized and accountable. A maintenance log should be updated every time maintenance is performed. This includes routine inspections, repairs, part replacements, and even cleaning. Timely updates ensure that the log remains accurate and useful. Delaying entries can lead to forgotten details or missed tasks, which may affect the reliability of your equipment or facilities. Filling out a maintenance log is straightforward, but requires attention to detail. Start by recording the date and time, then describe the maintenance activity. Include the name of the person performing the work and any parts or materials used. If you notice any issues or need to schedule follow-up actions, make a note of these as well. Consistency in your entries makes the log more valuable over time. Let's look at a sample maintenance log entry. Imagine you're maintaining an air conditioning unit. Your entry might read, Date: the 1st of June, 2024. Task: replaced air filter and cleaned condenser coils. Technician: Alex Smith. Parts used: 1. Air filter. Notes: unit operating normally. Next check scheduled for September. This level of detail ensures that anyone reviewing the log can understand what was done and when. When maintaining a log, there are a few common mistakes to watch out for. These include incomplete entries, illegible handwriting for paper logs, forgetting to update after each task, and failing to note follow-up actions. Avoiding these pitfalls will help keep your maintenance log accurate and reliable, ensuring it serves its intended purpose. A well-maintained log can significantly extend the lifespan of your equipment. By tracking regular maintenance, you can identify patterns of wear and tear, schedule timely repairs, and prevent minor issues from becoming major problems. This proactive approach not only saves money, but also ensures that your equipment operates safely and efficiently for years to come. In many industries, maintaining accurate records is not just good practice, it's a legal requirement. Maintenance logs support compliance with safety regulations and standards. They provide proof that equipment has been properly maintained, which can be critical during inspections or audits. Keeping thorough logs protects your organization and demonstrates a commitment to safety. Maintenance logs are used across a variety of industries. In manufacturing, they track machine upkeep. In transportation, they document vehicle servicing. In healthcare, they ensure medical equipment is safe and functional. Even in hospitality, logs help maintain facilities and guest safety. Each industry may have specific requirements, but the core principles remain the same. Modern digital maintenance logs offer a range of features to simplify record keeping. These include automated reminders for scheduled maintenance, easy search and filtering, attachment of photos or documents, and integration with other management systems. Some platforms even provide analytics to help you spot trends and optimize your maintenance strategy. With the rise of smartphones, many organizations now use mobile apps to manage maintenance logs. These apps allow technicians to update records on the go, attach photos, and receive real-time notifications. Mobile solutions increase efficiency, reduce paperwork, and ensure that logs are always up to date, no matter where the work is being done. Digital maintenance logs can often be integrated with other business systems, such as inventory management, scheduling, or asset tracking. This integration streamlines workflows, reduces duplication of effort, and ensures that all relevant information is easily accessible. By connecting your maintenance log with other tools, you create a more efficient and transparent maintenance process. When using digital maintenance logs, data security is a top priority. Make sure your chosen platform offers secure access controls, regular backups, and data encryption. This protects your maintenance records from loss, unauthorized access, or cyber threats. Regularly review your backup procedures to ensure your data is safe and recoverable if needed. Every organization has unique needs, so it's important to customize your maintenance log accordingly. You might add fields for specific equipment types, regulatory requirements, or internal processes. Customization ensures that your log captures all necessary information and supports your team's workflow effectively. Proper training is essential for effective maintenance log usage. Ensure that all staff members understand how to fill out entries, what details to include, and the importance of timely updates. Regular training sessions help maintain consistency and accuracy, making the log a reliable resource for everyone involved. Regularly auditing and reviewing your maintenance logs is a best practice. This process helps identify gaps, ensure compliance, and spot trends that may require attention. Audits can be scheduled monthly, quarterly, or as needed, depending on your organization's requirements. Consistent reviews keep your maintenance program on track. Maintenance logs are not just for recording past actions, they can also help predict future needs. By analyzing patterns in your logs, you can identify when equipment is likely to require service and schedule maintenance proactively. This predictive approach minimizes downtime and helps you allocate resources more efficiently. Accurate maintenance logs can be invaluable in legal or insurance situations. They provide documented proof that equipment was properly maintained, which can support claims or defend against liability. In some cases, insurance providers may require maintenance records as part of their policy terms. Keeping thorough logs protects your interests. Maintenance logs play a key role in asset management. By tracking the history of each asset, you can make informed decisions about repairs, replacements, and budgeting. Asset managers rely on these logs to maximize value and minimize costs throughout the asset's lifecycle. Maintenance logs improve communication among team members. By providing a clear record of what has been done and what needs attention, they help prevent misunderstandings and ensure that everyone is on the same page. This is especially important in larger teams or organizations with multiple shifts. Another advantage of maintenance logs is the ability to track costs. By recording parts, labor, and other expenses, you can analyze maintenance spending and identify opportunities for savings. This financial insight helps with budgeting and long-term planning, ensuring that resources are used wisely. Preventive maintenance is all about addressing issues before they become problems. Maintenance logs help you schedule and track these tasks, ensuring that nothing is overlooked. By following a preventive maintenance schedule, you reduce the risk of unexpected breakdowns and extend the life of your assets. Not all maintenance is planned. When emergency repairs are needed, it's crucial to document them in your log. Record the issue, actions taken, and any follow-up required. This information helps you analyze the cause of emergencies and develop strategies to prevent them in the future. Maintenance logs can also help manage spare parts inventory. By tracking which parts are used and when, you can maintain optimal stock levels and avoid shortages. This ensures that you're always prepared for routine maintenance or unexpected repairs, keeping operations running smoothly. Maintenance logs contribute to quality assurance by providing a documented history of equipment care. This record helps ensure that all maintenance is performed according to standards, supporting consistent quality and reliability. In regulated industries, logs are often reviewed during quality audits. Continuous improvement is a key goal in maintenance management. By regularly reviewing your maintenance logs, you can identify areas for improvement, optimize processes, and implement best practices. This ongoing effort leads to better performance, reduced costs, and greater asset reliability. Over time, maintenance logs can accumulate a lot of data. It's important to archive old records in a secure and organized manner. This ensures that historical information is available for reference, audits, or compliance checks, while keeping current logs manageable and easy to use. If you're still using paper logs, transitioning to a digital system can seem daunting. Start by digitizing existing records, training staff on new tools, and gradually phasing out paper. The benefits such as easier access, better security, and improved efficiency make the transition worthwhile in the long run. Introducing new maintenance log systems can sometimes meet resistance from staff. Address concerns by highlighting the benefits, providing thorough training, and offering ongoing support. Involve team members in the transition process to build buy-in and ensure a smooth adoption. Let's consider a real-world example. In a manufacturing plant, maintenance logs are used to track machine servicing, repairs, and inspections. By maintaining detailed records, the plant reduced downtime, improved safety, and passed regulatory audits with ease. This case highlights the tangible benefits of effective maintenance log management. In a transportation company, vehicle maintenance logs are crucial for tracking oil changes, tire rotations, and repairs. Digital logs enable the company to schedule preventive maintenance, reduce breakdowns, and extend vehicle lifespans. This example demonstrates how maintenance logs drive efficiency and reliability in fleet management. Facility managers use maintenance logs to document building repairs, inspections, and upgrades. By keeping thorough records, they ensure that all systems like HVAC, plumbing, and electrical are properly maintained. This proactive approach enhances occupant comfort and safety while minimizing costly repairs. In healthcare, maintenance logs are vital for ensuring that medical equipment is safe and functional. Logs document routine checks, calibrations, and repairs, supporting compliance with health regulations. This careful record-keeping protects patient safety and supports accreditation efforts. Hotels and resorts use maintenance logs to track room repairs, facility upgrades, and safety inspections. By maintaining accurate records, they provide a better guest experience and meet industry standards. This attention to detail helps build a reputation for quality and reliability. To get the most out of your maintenance logs, follow best practices. Keep entries detailed and consistent. Update logs promptly, review records regularly, and use digital tools where possible. Encourage team collaboration and provide ongoing training to ensure everyone understands the importance of accurate record keeping. Maintenance logs come in various formats, from simple checklists to detailed spreadsheets and specialized software. Choose a format that matches your needs and makes it easy for your team to record and access information. The right format improves usability and ensures that logs are consistently maintained. When equipment malfunctions, maintenance logs are invaluable for troubleshooting. By reviewing past entries, you can identify recurring issues, previous repairs, and patterns that may point to the root cause. This information speeds up diagnosis and helps you implement effective solutions. The future of maintenance logging is shaped by technology. Trends include the use of IoT sensors for automated data collection, AI-driven analytics for predictive maintenance, and cloud-based platforms for real-time collaboration. Staying informed about these trends can help you choose the best tools for your organization. To wrap up, maintenance logs are essential tools for tracking, managing, and improving the upkeep of your assets. They support safety, compliance, cost control, and communication. Whether you use paper or digital logs, following best practices ensures that your maintenance program is effective and reliable. Ready to implement or improve your maintenance log? Start by assessing your needs, choosing the right format, and training your team. Remember, consistency and attention to detail are key. With a well-maintained log, you'll enjoy smoother operations, fewer surprises, and greater peace of mind. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your maintenance journey.